By the time the Hyatt Place is completed this next summer, overnight guests will be within a 5-minute walk of WSU admissions, Starbucks, 2 restaurants, the Shocker Store, 2 residence halls, the new YMCA and Student Wellness Center, with a Wesley Urgent Care Center, on-campus facilities for the Wichita-Sedgwick County Law Enforcement Training Center, Airbus, Spirit, Textron, Dassault Systems, dozens of College of Engineering laboratories, many National Institute for Aviation Research facilities, including the new advanced virtual engineering and testing labs. Also, within a short distance from the hotel will be all of the university's main campus academic buildings and athletic facilities. By the time the hotel opens next summer, the university will be about to break ground on a new home for the Barton School of Business as well. We think prospective students and their parents, researchers coming to visit the campus, athletic teams, and fans will find this Hyatt Place a great location for business or pleasure travel to Wichita. It is another important piece of making Wichita State a jewel for our community.